Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be making I'm gonna be trying this style that I saw people doing on the social media, mostly on YouTube, and I just wanted to follow around. So the thing is that I have to add a fabric on my denim jacket. I'm pretty sure that you guys, if you have me on on Instagram, yeah, mostly on Instagram and Snapchat, you've seen me posting about my like a lot of picture with my denim jacket and everything. So I wanted to add some little details on it because sometimes you get tired of wearing things or wearing a jacket like this without any details on it. Let's say, for example, like you can add patches or fabric on top of it and everything. So I wanted to try something on. And today I'll be doing a video. I'll be adding a fabric on top of this jacket. At first, I tried with over here. I have two fabrics. You guys are familiar with this. You see me wearing it. Like this isn't actually the same fabric. The same fabric, but I have two pieces. One of them I use for my head, and then this one I think I'm just gonna add on. I'm gonna use for my denim jacket. Also, this one, this was a good fabric, but thing is, just I tried sewing on it, but it wasn't working. I think it was just slippery or anything like that, so it wasn't working for me. So I said I'm gonna try this one. So what I'm gonna do is that over here, I have the machine oil. I'm gonna put it later on. And here we have a seam ripper just in case something goes wrong. And there's the scissors that I'll be using. So what I'm gonna do is that I'll take my measure tape. And measure. So the thing, I'll be just adding a fabric over here. Just this little part because I don't want to cover. I still love my jacket. I'm not gonna cover the whole thing. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to measure how I want the fabric to, like what parts of the jacket I want to cover with the fabric. So over here, I don't know if this is the length or width, I don't know. So from here, this part to here, I'll say 11. So that's 11. Just to make it fit the part over here. And then from down here it's approximately almost 16. Let me see, 16. I say, well, I'm just gonna put the fabric on top and see where I'm gonna cut. I put the fabric and then pin it and see how it's gonna work. Let me get my fabric. This is something. I'm gonna fold this to make it fit. So if it's gonna be like this here to here. Okay, I'm folding this because I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it soon. I just wanna make sure that it fits on the fabric gets a well fit on the jacket. And also I want to cover the whole part of like the little. So let's say I want it like this. I don't know, let me see if I have something to write about. Something to write with here. Yeah, I have a color pencil in here. So from here, you guys can't really see it. To here, I'm gonna cut it. just to like cover the whole part. And then we'll move to this side to see. Okay, hold on, there's a little problem. Here. Where's my pencil? So I'm just gonna follow the line here. I can just trace it because here, just have to trace it up. Oh, okay, I got it wrong. All I'm doing is just tracing the line in here. And I think this is where it stops here. Here. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but I'm just tracing a little line to follow where I'll be cutting. Here. So all I'm gonna do is just have to cut I'm just gonna cut here, following the line that I just marked on it. I don't want the fabric to pass the line where okay, come on, you guys. Yeah, you can see it. This is where I want it. So just gonna be a little. All I'm gonna do is just take my scissors and cut along. Ha 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 ha, funny. Yeah, I mean, I'll just follow it like this. I do have a hard time cutting a straight line, you guys, so you gotta forgive me. And I'm gonna cut on top of the line because I really want to make sure that the fabric fits well on the jacket. So I'm gonna fold this. And I'm gonna put it again to make sure that I got the right size of the fabric. From here to here. Where's my color pencil? From here to here. Yeah. It's not really that huge fabric. I don't really need other part. Okay, I'm just gonna go here and go to my sewing machine and sew here on the line, and I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so since I pinned the fabric, I'll be sewing from the inside actually, and the fabric is on this side, so I'm just gonna be sewing where the pins are, and I'm even on this side, from this side over here, come on this up here, and then you just have to follow the line where I just have to like sew inside this line of here to make sure that the fabric is attached well, and I'm gonna show you guys how it comes on from the outside. As you guys can see, I'm sewing across the line, like I mean next to the actual line, and I just have to follow. The jeans fabric is never easy to sew, but I think I'm doing pretty good. So I'm just gonna sew a little by little by following the line. And you guys, I think I'm just gonna stop here. I'm gonna stop recording right now because I think I'm using one hand and the thing is not gonna work, so I'm just gonna wait and show you guys the end, and yeah, we'll see how it comes on. Guys, this is the outcome. This is how I did. I think I'm just mad that I did not follow the lines pretty good, because anybody who knows how to sew, this is really bad. Even like the teacher who taught me how to sew, she'll probably be disappointed in me, because this is not a straight line, guys. This need more help. My next video, I'm probably gonna focus more on straightening my lines. But yeah, that's how I did. And I think over here, I'm just gonna cut the extra fabric all over. I'm just see, oh my god, I messed up a lot. Even over here it's kind of messed up, so I'm just gonna cut the extra fabrics over here, and then I think that's all I have. I'm just gonna show you how it looks on me pretty soon, and I think this completes the end of the video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, like, if you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, that's it. All I have to do is just cut it. I'm not gonna cut it while recording. I'm just gonna cut it while I'm off the phone, because I want to keep, because I think I messed up while I was, because I was sewing while recording, which was not good for me. So just need to put the phone down and cut it, and then I'm gonna show you I'm gonna take a picture and see you. I'm gonna take a picture and show you how it looks when I'm done.